Hello, today we will guide you through how to tag a person to a post in Meta Business Suite. If you manage content through Meta Business Suite, tagging someone in a post is a simple way to mention them directly and help make your post more connected and engaging. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact process of adding a person tag while creating a post. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're in the correct business account or page where you want to create the post. Once the dashboard loads, look for the option to create new content. Next, click on Create Post. This will open the Post Composer where you can start building your content. This is the area where you write your caption, add media, and make any adjustments before publishing. If you're preparing a post for Facebook through Business Suite, this is where the tagging action will happen. Once the Composer is open, click into the Post Details section. This is the text area where your post caption or message is entered. If you already have text written, place your cursor exactly where you want the tag to appear. If you're starting from scratch, you can type your post and add the tag at the appropriate spot in the sentence. Now type the @ symbol, followed by the name of the person you want to tag. As you begin typing, Meta Business Suite should start showing matching suggestions. It helps to type the name carefully so the correct result appears. If you don't see a suggestion right away, give it a moment and check your spelling. In some cases, availability can depend on whether the profile can be recognized by the platform in that context. When the sample result appears in the drop-down list, click on it. This inserts the tag into your post details and links the mention to that person's profile. After selecting it, you can continue writing the rest of your caption if needed and quickly review the text to make sure the tag appears correctly. That's all it takes to tag a person in a post using Meta Business Suite. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to preview the post and confirm that the mention looks right in the caption. Once everything is in place, you can continue with your normal posting process. Thanks for following along. You now know how to tag a person to a post in Meta Business Suite.